Advisor. Meaning. Advisor refers to a person who gives advice, typically someone with knowledge or expertise in a specific area. They offer guidance or recommendations to help others make informed decisions. Definition. Advisor is a noun that describes a person who provides advice, typically in a professional or expert capacity. An advisor helps individuals or organizations by offering insights and suggestions based on their knowledge or experience. Examples in sentences. 1. The financial advisor helped us plan our retirement savings. In this example, advisor refers to a professional who provides financial advice. 2. She consulted her academic advisor before choosing her major. Here, advisor refers to someone who offers academic guidance. Usage. Advisor is commonly used in contexts where professional guidance or expertise is needed. It is often used in fields like finance, education, law, and business, where an advisor helps individuals or organizations make informed decisions based on their knowledge and experience.
English practice.